In this video, I'll show you how to edit a presentation in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, open the presentation that you want to work on. If you want to edit the text, just click on it and highlight what you want to change. From there, you can make the text bold, or you can also make it italic or underlined. You can also adjust the heading and change the font size. And then from here, there's the menu on the right side. And you can see different options for layouts and styles. You can also add images and other visuals like graphs or videos to improve your slides. If you want to reorder your slides, just click on a slide and drag it to the position where you want it to be. For example, I'm gonna reposition this one right over here. So that's how you edit a presentation in Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.